Jeopardize. Now, repeat after me. Jeopardize. Jeopardize. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning, to jeopardize means to put something in danger or at risk of harm, loss, or failure. For example, if you don't follow the rules of safety, you can jeopardize your well-being. In a sentence, by skipping his study sessions, he might jeopardize his chances of passing the exam. In this case, the person is putting their success at risk by not studying. Let's try another example. The company's decision to ignore environmental regulations could jeopardize their reputation. Synonyms. Here are some words similar to jeopardize: endanger, to put something or someone at risk; threaten, to create a possible risk harm; to place something in danger. Antonyms. The opposite of jeopardize would be words like protect, to keep something safe from harm; safeguard, to make sure something stays safe; secure, to make something safe and free from risk. Part of speech. Jeopardize is a verb, meaning it describes an action, specifically the action of putting something at risk. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.